Good morning, children. In the previous class, what we learned? Exercise 2.2. The first problem, first one completed. Next, second one. See, children, what is the picture given here? Triangle is given. So this is P, Q, R. Here it is 45 degrees given. This is 3x plus 16 given. And this is 68 given. Okay, how to find the value of x, children? How to find the value of x? Here, triangle PQR is given. Triangle PQR is given. So you have to find the value of x. How to find? We know that. What is that? We know that the sum of all three sides is equal to 180 degrees. Already we know the sum of all three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Already we learned in the 7th and 6th class also. Okay. We know that the sum of all sides of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now all angles, if you add angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. So what is angle P? 45 degrees. Plus angle Q? 3x plus 16 degrees. Plus angle R, how much? 68 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now add all 45 plus 16 plus 68. 3x plus 45 plus 16. How much? And 68. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 129. 129 equal to 180. Okay. 3x equal to 180 minus 129. So 3x equal to how much? 180 minus 129, 10 minus 9, 1, 7 minus 2, 5. So 51 degrees. Now x equal to, here 3 is multiplied. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Divide. So x is equal to 51 by 3. Okay, cancellation. 3 ones 3. 2 is remaining. 3 sevens 21. So therefore x equal to how many degrees? 70 degrees. Okay, children? Did you understand that? Come on, write. Okay, third picture you can do homework same as this like the second sum. Now fourth sum, see. Okay, fourth sum, see here triangle is given. In this triangle, these two sides are equal. What is the symbol here? These two sides are equal. And here these two angles are given. You have to find this angle and also x. How to find? How to find? So already we learned in the previous classes, children. So here in the triangle, the two sides are equal means the equal side of the opposite angle is equal. Okay. So what is this? Angle y equal to angle z. Okay. So where there are two sides are equal means the equal side of the opposite angle and the equal side of the opposite angle are equal. So here angle y equal to angle z. So what is angle y? 2x plus 7 equal to what is angle z? 45. Okay. Now 2x equal to 45. Here plus 7 we have to transpose to right hand side. What will become? Minus 7. 2x equal to 45 minus 7. How much? 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7, how much children? 8. Here 3. Okay. Now x equal to 38 by 2. So how many times? 90. Therefore, x equal to 90 degrees. Okay, children? Come on, write. Next, fifth picture, see children. Here two triangles are there. OAB and OCD are there. In this triangle, these two sides are equal. Okay, these two sides are equal. Now, the equal side of the opposite angle is equal. These two are equal. So, here 3x plus 10. So, here also 3x plus 10 will come. Okay. Now here see, these two angles are opposite vertical angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal, no? So here also we'll get 3x plus 10. Okay, ma? Now here see, here these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal means, and this one angle will be equal. So here 3x plus 10 will get. Okay, children? Now you have to find the value of x. How to find? So here angle O equal to 3x plus 10 degrees, angle C equal to 2x, angle D equal to 3x plus 10 degrees. We know here all the three angles. So that's why what you have to take, the sum of all the sides of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now add. Therefore, 3x plus 10 plus 2x plus 3x plus 10 equal to 180 degrees. Now add 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8x plus 10 plus 10, 20 equal to 180. 8x is equal to 180 minus 20. 8x is equal to 180 minus 20, how much? 160. Now, therefore, x is equal to here 8 is multiplied. If you transpose to here, what will become? Divide 160 by 8. How much? 20. Therefore, x is equal to how many degrees children? 20 degrees. Okay, children. Here these two sides are equal means opposite angles. These two opposite angles are equal. So here 3x plus 10. Here also 3x plus 10. Now here we know this value. Here opposite vertical angles are equal. That's why we are taking same 3x plus 10. Now here these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal means angles also equal. So here angle will get same 3x plus 10. Now we know the three angles. That's why we are taking sum of all sides of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, children? Did you understand? Right. Now see the second question, children. The difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the numbers. So here what is the question? Difference between two numbers. So difference between dash of minus of dash equal to 8. We don't know these two numbers, bigger number and smaller number we don't know. But the difference is, what is the answer? 8 is given. Okay. And if 2 is added to bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. That means we don't know these two numbers, bigger number, smaller number, but the difference is 8 given. So you have to take, suppose x is smaller number you have to take. Then what is the bigger number? What will get bigger number, children? You have to transpose this minus x to right hand side. What will become? X. The question mark is equal to 8 plus x. 8 plus x. So what is the bigger number? X plus 8. Okay. Like that you have to take. Okay, ma'am. So right. First you have to write what is given. Given difference between two numbers is 8. What is given? Difference between two numbers is 8. So let the two numbers be, let the two numbers be, what are those two numbers? Bigger number is x plus 8 and smaller number is x. Okay, did you understand how can we get? Let the two numbers be x plus 8 and smaller number be x. That means already I told. So this, we don't know these two numbers, we will get difference is 8. Okay, suppose we are taking smaller number as x. What is the biggest number? Biggest number equal to what is that? 8 plus x. 8 plus x means x plus 8, no problem. Okay, so bigger number is x plus 8, smaller number is 8. Okay, now another what is given? If 2 is added, if 2 is added to the bigger number, if 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. If 2 is added to bigger number, then the result will be 3 times the smaller number. So here what is the bigger number? X plus 8. If 2 is therefore x plus 8, we can add 2. If 2 is added to the bigger number, that's the bigger number is x plus 8, we can add 2. Okay, then the result will be, result means answer. What is the answer? The result will be the 3 times the smaller number. What is smaller number? X. 3 times. So 3 times is 3 into x, smaller number. Okay. Now you can solve this one. X plus 8 plus 2, how much? 10. 3x. Okay. Now transpose x variable to right hand side. 10 equal to 3x. Here plus x transpose to right hand side, what will become? Minus x. 10 equal to 3x minus x, 2x. So x is equal to 10 by 2. Here 2 is multiplied. If you transpose to here, what will become? Divide. 5. So x equal to, therefore x equal to how much? 5. So what is x here? Smaller number. Okay. So therefore smaller number x is equal to how much? 5. Now bigger number. Bigger number, what we are taking? Bigger number x plus 8. X plus 8 equal to x plus 8 means 5 plus 8. How much? 13. Okay, children? Now you can add 13 plus 5. Here you have to multiply. 2 times of bigger number is equal to 3 times of smaller number. So what is the bigger number? We'll get 13. Okay. Plus 2, how much? 15. 3 times x. What is x value? 5. 3, 5, 15. Both are equal now. Like that you have to check it. Okay, children? So much right. Next, third question, please, children. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and the difference is 28? Same as the second sum like that only. So what are given here first? Given sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers equal to how much? 58. And difference equal to what is given? 28 given. So what is here? How you can write the statement equation, children? Difference given. So those two numbers difference equal to 28. Okay, children? Now suppose we are taking smaller number as x. What is the bigger number? Bigger number is equal to 28 plus x. X plus 28 bigger number and smaller number be x. Okay. Now write up equation. Let the two numbers be x plus 28. X plus 28 is the bigger number and x is the smaller number. Okay, children? Now write the equation. By the problem, here what is given? Sum of two numbers is 58. Sum of two numbers is 58 means what are those two numbers? Bigger number and smaller number you can add. X plus 28 plus x is equal to what is the answer? 58. Did you understand this step, children? Here, let the two numbers what we are taking, x plus 28, x. And next, sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers means you have to add these two numbers. We will get answer 58. That I am writing here. Okay. Now, x plus x, 2x plus 28 equal to 58. So 2x is equal to 58. Here plus 28 transpose to right hand side. What will become? Minus. So 2x is equal to how much? 30. X equal to 30. Here 2 is multiplied. If you transpose to here, what will become? Divide. To 15. So therefore, x is equal to how much? 15. What is x? Smaller number. So therefore, smaller number x is equal to 15 and bigger number, what we are taking bigger number? X plus 28. X plus 28 is equal to 15 plus 28. How much? 43. 43 plus 15. How much? 43 plus 15 children? 58. Okay children? Come on, right.